Integers with Andrew! Hello, class, and today we are going to be talking about integers. Now, integers are rather boring if you go about learning them the wrong way. There's lots of videos about them on YouTube that I find rather disinteresting. There's a few rules about integers that you need to know if you want to do well in them. Mainly that positive numbers always want to go right, and negative numbers always want to go left. This is witnessed by this. Positive numbers always want to go right, and the negative 3 plus positive 5. We would start at the negative 3, and then we go right 5 times, because positive numbers always want to go right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we reach number 2. Now, that's rather boring, and you probably don't care about it. And that's not a very fun way of learning it. Think about it like this, instead. Here, we have the land of Integ, and its inhabitants are, of course, the integers. The sum here is the source of all their warmth and comfort in life. They really like the sum, because he lets them do what they want to do. The positives obviously want to go right, and the sum lets them go right. And the negatives want to go left, and the sum lets them do that. There's also, however, the ocean in here, the sea, made up of the subterranean subtraction signs, if you can see here, subtraction. And, well, they also depend on it to traverse it and stuff. They don't really like it because it doesn't let them do what they want to do. If you subtract a negative number, it will of course go right, and if you subtract a positive number, it will go left. So they like the positive number because it lets them go where they want to go, and they don't like the C because it doesn't. So I've just drawn an out equation here. Actually, 2 equations. It's 4 plus minus 5 equals minus 1, and 4 minus 5 equals minus 1. What I want you to see here, that the positive here, it doesn't really count for anything. So if it wasn't there, it would still be 4 minus 5. Whereas the negative here, because there's nothing else, it works. So it's 4 minus 5 and 4 plus minus 5. So when it's like this, when it's 4 plus, when it's a positive plus a negative, you can always just erase the positive and it'll have your equation.